Hey, I pause before I begin with my tutorial right here on how to profit online with Amazon KDP and coloring books. I want to let you know that if you go down below, click the link and sign up, I will be sending you this free masterclass where I show you how to use Nurie Creator on top of giving you a bunch of free tools I use when I go about creating profitable Amazon KDP coloring books. You don't want to miss out. Everything's down below. Click on over and see you inside. Okay, be good. Watch this tutorial until the end. First thing you want to do is find a good niche we can enter, a niche that has people buying right now. All we want to do is get into a market that's already selling. Really important. So I just asked Google a very simple question. Most popular dog breeds 2025, and it says a French Bulldog. Okay. We got Labrador Retriever and Golden Retriever. I want to go with French Bulldog. Okay. When I take this, copy that. As you can see, we're going to go to Amazon and I'm going to look for French Bulldog coloring book. And there is a plethora of different, and look, most of them are selling French Bulldog coloring books. This is a great sign. Don't run away from competition. Get into competition, but separate yourself. You have to create what's called a unique selling point, a USP. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, second thing I want to do, I want to go to ChatGPT and create our USP, our unique selling point. Okay, you don't want just a coloring book filled with coloring book images. You want coloring book images plus something else that adds value, that adds some type of engagement, that adds a higher, or I should say, commands a higher price point. So I go to ChatGPT, free ChatGPT, and ask, here are 40, I asked it, give me 40 French Bulldog puns, and it gave me 40 French Bulldog puns. Really important, really good, very easy to do. Okay, you just go to ChatGPT, ask it for some puns or some one-liner jokes, whatever you want, whatever niche you want, it can oblige, it can provide that content for you. Okay, then we go to Nurie Creator, right? And of course, I went to single niche multiplier. Okay, I put in French Bulldog in a coloring book style. Okay, I'm using the beta mode, 8.5 by 8.5, and I got 10 images, right, of these French Bulldogs. I'm gonna choose this one here, and I'm gonna choose this one here. I'm gonna choose a couple of these. I'm gonna choose this one and this one. I want to get 10. I'm going to show you 10 right now. This close-up one. This guy looks pretty gnarly. I like this guy here. Let's go with this close-up right here, French Bulldog. Let's go to the next page here. Let's go with this one here. I like the contrast with the blacks and whites. This one here. How many do we got so far? We got 10. Beautiful. Next thing you want to do is go to Speedy Book Export. Okay. Go to Speedy Book Export just like that. And we're going to actually go back to our ChatGPT, pull 10 of these. Okay, because we got 10 right now. Copy that. Go back to Nurie Creator. Come up here. I want to go with something cute when it comes to the font. So I'm going to go to the font here. And I'm going to put in, you know what I'm going to put in. I love OK. I love that font. It's perfect for coloring books. So what we're going to do now is go up here to paste one line per image. And I'll copy V so that we can, let me expand this right here so you can see it. I'm going to delete the spaces between. Let me delete this. And so that we can automatically add these one-liner puns into our book. Okay. So we're going to do 10 at a time. Okay. Like that. Perfect. Sequential or random doesn't really matter. Let's go with sequential. Click apply bulk text. Now, all of these images are gonna get added with these puns here. Okay, really cool. Okay, so I want to actually create our copyright page, title page, and test color page right here, right now. I'm gonna have Nurie Creator do it for me automatically. I'm gonna title my book French Bulldog cute puns, actually. Puns coloring book. Like that. Let's give my let's get an author name here. Let's call me John Locke, like that. Okay, really good. Now we got our, as you can see, we got our title page, our test color page, and we have our puns. If I want to, I can actually enlarge. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna enlarge the font size, make it a little bit wee bigger. Let's go to 44. Let's see what it produces. Wee. Very good. Let me see. I want to make sure nothing's oversized there. Very good. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, what's that say? Tres Poisson. Vive la Frenchie. Okay, really cool stuff. And that's the first part of our book. I'm gonna click generate PDF, and it's gonna compile everything, format everything, put everything together for me. And this is part 1. Now I want to do this. Let me open this up for you. As you can see, this is our book so far. Now, as you can see from our dogs pun section here, we got 3 more times to do this. We're gonna do this 3 more times, 10 each, right? We're gonna create more images, Nurie Creator, and format it with Nurie Creator. And then at the very end, I'm gonna go to PDF Combine. It's a free little tool, PDF Combine, and I can combine all of my PDFs together to create my one book. But we're not done, right? We still got work to do. I want to exit out of this, and what I want to do now is create my book cover. Okay, my book cover is really important. So, because your book cover is kind of your foot in the door. It's kind of how we get it's kind of how we get people to click on over. Let's go to book cover gen right here, and I'm going to create my book cover right now in front of you. I'm going to make this an 8.5 by 8.5, of course, because that's the size of our book. We're gonna wait. How many pages is this? So it's 40, 80, 82 pages, right, including our test color page and title page. Very good. So it's 40 plus 40 blank plus 2 more pages, right? That's 82. So what's our cover title here? Let's call it French. Remember, it must be the same title you use for your Amazon KDP listing. Do not forget that. French Bull Dog more text. We're gonna put in let me put it okay. Let me get in there, and we're gonna add text. I'm gonna put in puns. Okay, it didn't add puns, so I'm gonna put it right there, just like that. And I'm gonna add text again and put coloring book. Remember, your title must be the same as your KDP title. Okay, really important. Really important. Actually, I'm gonna make this notosans.jp. Increase the size. Increase the thickness just a bit, and bring it down here like that. Okay, and I'm gonna add more text here in the back, and I'm gonna write color, chill, and laugh. ... And I'm going to decrease the size on that just a little bit. Like that. I want to add some images here, show what's inside the book. Got this here. Shrink it down. Bring it to the side here. Upload another image. Bring this up and shrink it down just like we did with the last image there. Make sure they're the same size. And bring it on over just like that. We're done. Okay, so we got French Bulldog puns coloring book. We're going to generate PDF, and it's going to generate our PDF, so then we can download it. And when we list it on Amazon KDP, not only do we have our book cover, but we also have our book with the puns and everything. So we have a complete book, right? A book of 80. Okay. Now, if you want my masterclass where I show you how I create this with Nurie Creator for free, make sure you check out. You get all these videos, all these tools. I have a bunch of free tools that I actually talk about in here. Make sure you jump in here real quick and get access to that. Okay, be good. Take care and have a great day.